Welcome, today I am with Huawei Nova 9 from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory charger in the box. So let's quickly open the box. And yes, as you can see, you can find here original charging brick from the Huawei. When you take a look closer, you can also spot the exact details, the specification of this charger. So it's 66 watts supercharged from Huawei. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.